July 15th. Everybody waving back there?
Hi.
And we are doing a beach trip. So we are on our way to Monterey. So we will see you guys either more on the road or when we get to Monterey. But that's where we're headed right now. We have like almost a 2-hour car ride with these characters. Yeah. Interesting. But we will see you guys when we get there. Happy Saturday, guys. So we are finally here in Monterey. We made it after searching for beaches and stuff for a long time. And it's freaking, actually looks nice, but it's cold. But we are at the Del Monte Beach. And it's like super cloudy out there. There's some nice houses. I don't know if you can see those houses behind me. That's some nice houses. But yeah, we are here. We are about to get set up. The kids are excited. People out there like surfing and stuff. It's like straight cool.
I'm on my surfboard.
Surfboard.
I'm about to surfboard.
There's my niece Kenzie. Kenzie, say hi.
If you guys didn't see her on the other,
There's It is cold. It is cold. We're tripping. It's hot where we are, but when we're right by the water, bruh, it is cold.
Me and Rosie are gonna make a sandcastle. Yeah, we're gonna make a sandcastle. But I'm not because we can see my head.
All right, we'll see you guys in a minute.
Bye.
All right, guys. So we made it to the beach. Look at these crazy girls. Look at these crazy girls.
Mommy, my feet are cold.
You guys, say hi.
Hi. Hi.
They're crazy. Look at them. They're crazy as hell because it is cold out here. I don't know if you guys can see way down there, but that gray, that's fog here in the bay. It is cold.
Mommy, my feet are cold.
I bet.
Come here, it's not right now.
Look, it is crazy. And I thought this like stuff right here, I don't know if you can even see the clear stuff. I thought it was ice. It's like freaking jelly. It's crazy. Look at these girls.
Stop screaming.
Kenzie, are you okay?
She's screaming. Let's go.
But they ain't running back out there.
My feet are cold. I'm cold as heck.
They are like icicles, man.
They're like icicles?
I'm like, you wanna touch it?
Bugs. Bug, you cool?
Y'all wanna actually get wet? Let's go in.
I see it has icicles.
Can we actually go in?
Yeah, but I told you to take your clothes off so that they could be dry when you get out.
Oh my God.
You're gonna want something dry and warm to put on.
You cold? The water cold to you? It's icicles.
There's people all in the water.
Mommy, it's icicles in the water. We can actually get in there?
Yeah.
Wait.
Don't go all the way in there. I can't rescue your ass. Put that camera down. You better get your grandma's shoes. Now put y'all buckets up. Yeah. These girls are crazy. They really want to get like all the way in this cold water. We gonna see. We gonna see what they do. Look at Reagan.
Oh, wait.
Why don't you just sit down?
I got an icicle in there. It was an icicle.
Come on, you guys. I got sand on my butt, right?
Lightweight. Say bye to the beach.
Bye.
Bye.
Can't catch me now.
Beach is gone.
Bye,
And the seagulls.
Now we gotta take this little ride back home.
Long ride, 2 hours.
2 hours to go back home. But it was a nice little fun trip, right?
Yeah.
You guys have fun?
Yeah.
Got all wet?
Put a piece of that.
I actually thought that I almost
It was
lost
cold.
my memory.
Lost your memory.
Listen, okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye.